Съемки, оформление торгового центра Европейский, Атриум, Москва, цветные шарики, движущиеся, и по стенам панели, на которых изображается морская жизнь. Наслаждайтесь картинами торгового центра Европейский.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone. Voices like a mountain song. Sing, you are my only one. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood, but life can be this good. I would launch 1,000 ships just to be about your lips. Tell them all to sail away, just to see you